Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Andreas Kulik.
Good morning. Hello and welcome to Houston, Texas, and a warm welcome to all of you to DraftSight Live 2025. It's fantastic to have you all here, our clients, our partners, and anybody who shares our passion for precision in design. I want to start out with a little thought experiment today. Think about the sheer diversity of design and operating challenges that we face today. In manufacturing, in construction, it's all around us. From the layouts of a manufacturing production line to the precise mechanics and electronics of a telescope or an airplane, to the magnificence of grand architecture like the one that you see there. Now, 2D CAD drawings to this day play a vital role in bringing these visions and ideas to life. The virtual twin of a production line in manufacturing is a very, very useful tool. It allows us to simulate various configurations to improve yield or other operational factors. But a 2D CAD drawing is still used today to help a facilities team understand how to operate the manufacturing facility, or to document for regulatory requirements the manufacturing floor with the local municipalities to align with fire codes and related topics. The most advanced telescope that we have put into space to date is designed and simulated in great detail in 3D virtual environments. Yet the design intent is communicated in detailed 2D CAD drawings to the people to make it a reality. Someone recently told me 2D drawings are the lens through which we look to understand 3D models. Take a commercial airline, an airplane. In fact, we experienced this firsthand last year when a major American commercial airline switched 100% to DraftSight for their tech operations. In tech ops, cabin layout, electrical wiring, fixtures, fire escape plans, food cart design is still to this day done in 2D CAD drawings. It ensures we fly safe and comfortably. And I think the most important example of them all, architecture, engineering, and construction. 2D CAD drawings are required to bring these visions to life. And if you take Apple Park 2, for example, very detailed drawings were required by the town of Cupertino to issue construction permits to Apple. And the drawings are fascinating, like the one that you see here on the screen. These are landscape drawings that have detail down to the dimensional placement of trees and shrubbery. I encourage you, go to the website, check it out. The detail in these drawings that is available there publicly is fascinating. Every line drawn tells a story. Tackling today's diverse design challenges requires more than a single monolithic application that tries to do everything for everybody, but fails to excel at anything. Why? The absence of focus. Let's turn our gaze to the stars. Powerful telescope like the James Webb, groundbreaking, doesn't try to capture the entire cosmos in a single snapshot. No. It uses very carefully calibrated optics, purpose-built instruments to zone in on a very specific point in space, uncovering breathtaking detail, revealing the secrets of the universe to us. The key is precise focus. By concentrating on a specific point, using very specific purpose-built instruments, the telescope reveals the invisible. The focus allows us to see farther, clearer, and understand more. The James Webb is a platform of very purpose-built instruments and applications, each designed for a very specific task. And at DraftSight, we've adopted that very same principle. We're not trying to be a general purpose-built application or suite of drafting solutions, no. We're focused on 2D CAD. We've honed our software to excel at that very, very specific task, providing the capabilities and performance that professionals like you demand to create precise and detailed CAD drawings. And our focus isn't a limitation, it is a strength. It allows us to deliver incredibly powerful experiences for you for 2D design and drafting. It allows us to serve a much wider range of users, from architects to engineers to manufacturers. And by being focused on 2D, we can empower more professionals to achieve their design goals with precision and efficiency. So tackling today's design challenges demands specialized solutions, purpose-built, designed to excel at very, very specific tasks. It demands a connected environment, a platform that allows specialized applications like DraftSight to work seamlessly together and foster collaboration. Over the course of the next 3 days, we will show you exactly what that means. We invite you to explore in the breakout sessions tomorrow, DraftSight 2025, the new BIM module simplifying drawing automation with the new IFC and Revit importer. DraftSight understands those file formats now. This is released as of about 2 weeks ago. And you also can get hands-on experience with our brand new cloud solution, DraftSight, in a hands-on workshop on Wednesday. But that's not all. You will also have the opportunity to learn from the best, how to make the impossible possible with Dan Golden, a visionary entrepreneur and NASA's longest tenured administrator. Don't miss his masterclass later this afternoon. You can also learn how AI will impact our world and careers in the years to come. Steve Brazier will give us a talk in the closing session for DraftSight Live on Wednesday. I have a question for you. Are you ready for all this to begin? Okay, let's try that again. Are you ready for all this to begin? Yes. All right, well then let's dive in. Please join me in giving a very warm welcome to SOLIDWORKS CEO, Manish Kumar.